Hello everyone, my name is Tiyogita. I am currently pursuing BTech second year CSE from Mission Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Now I am going to explain how to create a Telegram chatbot using Firebase database. In order to create a Telegram chatbot using Firebase database, I am going to create a bot by going to Telegram app and search for bot further. And in order to create a bot, I gave a command /new bot, and it asked me to give a name for the bot that I have called. Then I gave a name as Chinu, and it asked me to choose a username for the bot that I have created, and I gave several names, but it all got rejected as they are already taken. And at last I gave a name foods underscore taste underscore bot. It got accepted it is unique, and the bot further gave me a token to access the HTTP API as it is unique for every bot. As we have completed the bot section, in order to create a Telegram chatbot using Firebase database, we should create a Firebase database too. In order to create a Firebase database, I have gone to Firebase database and created a project called Food API Telegram chatbot, and started a collection named Food API. In this process, I have generated a key which has the full information about the Firebase database that I have created. Um, in order to connect these two through JavaScript, we should see this code. Here, I have installed the inbuilt libraries, Telegram bot, and the request. Uh, and I have initialized app that is Firebase database by requiring Firebase admin in the CMD itself. And here I have taken the constant token as the token that I have received through the Telegram bot further. And after that, here I required ./key1.json as it is the key that I have generated in the Firebase database. As we can see in the key1.json file, we have the complete information about the Firebase database in the Firebase project that we have created in the Firebase database itself. That is, it has type, project ID, private key, client email, client ID, auth, URL, etc. And if we go into our file index1.js, after that we have created a function that is hi. If the input is given a hi in the Telegram chatbot, then it should print hello, how can I help you. And after that, if I gave several conditions in the /example, that is, whenever I gave an example command, then it should store a recipe in the database, that is example recipe or a random recipe from the URL https api.spoonacular.com, that is a website which contains different types of recipes, and I have inserted my unique API key in order to retrieve several number of dishes. It should print the dish recipe stored successfully as in the given function. Whenever I gave /example in the Telegram chatbot, then it should print the dish recipe stored successfully as it is stored in the database itself. Here I gave a condition for the error response data as the max length is 4096 and if the start index is 0. As I have mentioned, if the start index is less than the length of the data, then the end index is the addition of start index and max length. In order to retrieve the data in a perfect manner, I gave these conditions. And in the collection of food API which I have written in the database collection, I have chart ID and the recipe. I will have the ID of the recipe and the recipe units, that is nutrition, etc. At last, the start index will be equal to the end index, and this is for the storing of each database whenever I gave a command /example in the Telegram chatbot. In order to retrieve all the dishes that are stored in the database, then I have written a separate function for the get slash get command. Whenever I give the slash get command, then it should display all the recipes that are stored in the database. um, Here my collection name is food API. In this, if whenever I give slash get, then it should print the document dot data dot recipe. The recipe that is there in the data, which is stored in a document, should be printed in the Telegram chatbot. Uh, in order to run this, we should go into CMD. Here, if we run node, my file name is index1.js, run, and if we go into the Telegram app and give hi, then it will, no, this is the bot for the, if we go into our bot, food underscore taste underscore bot, and give hi message, then it will print how can I help you. And if we go, we have a command example, then it will store a random recipe in the database. That is, it gave a comment like the dish recipe stored successfully as per the program. And if we give the slash get command, it will give all the recipes that are stored in the database until now. Here we can see the number of recipes that are stored until now in our database. We can see number of recipes. We can see the pictures too. The direct website link, we can see number of recipes here, cauliflower recipes, and a number of recipes according to their nutritional values, etc. If we go this is okay. If we go into our Firebase database and see whether our dishes are stored in the database or not, if we go into our Firebase database, then we can see, here we can see in the food API collection, in the document section, we can see number of sections which have the dishes stored in the database, so that we can say that through JavaScript we have created a Telegram chatbot using Firebase database. Thank you.